Welcome to Caiel Fun Stuff!
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe.
Hey guys! Today I'm gonna open this safety dart set for kids and grown-ups. It is safe for children 6 years old and above. But before I open it, I want to say a huge thank you to Innocheer for sending me this safety dart set. Okay, let's open it. Okay. I'm so excited. Wow, it's so big, and here's a thank you card, just like the old one but different. So it's a thank you card from Innocheer. It says here, Innocheer is a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and she gave me a free 6 months extended warranty. Wow! Let's see what else. Oh! The darts! What? Oh, I think we need to open the other side. Let's unbox these two. I'm already unboxing them. Wow! Alright, let's get the darts. Got 1 dart, 2 dart, 3 dart, and these. Now I'm gonna make a hoop on the red. Oh, I did it! I did it! Kids, there are 2 ways to install it. There's a build-a-metal bracket for tabletop. So let's enter it into the hole. Oh, okay. Then send it. Ta-da! Can you see me, kids? Or can you just see my hands? So the other way is to mount it onto the wall. Here's the hole, 1 hole. Now let's mount it on the wall. Alright. Kids, we have a 16 inches dartboard. These are the dots. So how do you play the 20-point game? So 1 is the dart that hits the very center. Bullseye score 50 points. This is the 50-point bullseye. As you can see, there's a bullseye here, and then when you hit it, you say bullseye, but I want yes. Darts that hit the first narrow circle. This is the triple score band. You score the triple amount of the section. Darts that hit out more circular band. This is the double score bands. Whoop! You scored double the amount of the number in that section. Darts that hit in the number section score the value of that section's number. So, no kids to open a game. Each person should throw 1 dart at the board. And the person with the highest score goes first. The rest of the players follow according to their scores. But since I'm the youngest, Mommy and Daddy said I can play first. Okay, so let's try to play this game.
Caiel, which one do you prefer? Stay it on the table or hang it on the wall?
Stay it on the table.
Okay.
Okay, let's play. Will I make a red line? Oh.
What's the score? 9.
So, I only got 9.
Okay.
18.
18. That's
19.
whoa!
Just 2!
Times 2 is 4. 6. That's 19.
And I make it on the red
I got
17.
wow, yeah, and it's triples. It's 13. It's 7.
I hope I get that red 9. No, but I got 19. Nope. Oh. Okay, this is our last try. Dynamic! Whoa! Dynamic! Whoa!
Wow, we got 3 points.
Except for Bullseye, I said
Hey, Bullseye.
Bullseye! But I put a boy voice like, whoa!
Oh, yeah. Oh, almost. Wow, 1. Oh, you got 9. Okay, mommy's turn.
The last turn.
Yeah. Oh, I got 10. Oh, I got 7. Wow, I got 20. And then double it, I got 40.
So who wins? Kids, these are our scores. And let's see who wins the game. This is our scoreboard. Mommy got 167 and I got 203. So 203 is greater than 167, so I got the high score and that means I'm the winner! So kids, this is really safety and fun. Comes with 950 soft darts, rubber tube, no damage to body or furniture. This rubber dartboard is not only suitable for kids, also great for teenagers and grown-ups. So if you are interested in it, just follow the link on the description below. But before I say goodbye, I want to say a huge thank you to Innocheer for sending me this safety dart set. But well guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye kids. See you later. Bye. I love you. And I hope you like this safety dart set. Okay, bye. There's a